Hi all, I'm Vishnu Prasad from S4 Triply. I would like to introduce you to a project which I made during these quarantine days. It's called iWiSpaces. It's basically a home automation system with which you can control anything connected to it from anywhere in the world. So iWiSpaces is the short for Integrated Wireless Switching System. For a demonstration, I have connected my gate lights and sit-out lights to it. The main motive behind this project is that once we left our home without switching off our lights, and as you know, it leads to wastage of energy. So I thought, why not make something with which we can control our appliances even when we are not at home. The circuitry of this project is actually really simple. I have just used only three components. The main component of this project is Node MCU ESP8266. The reason why I have used this board is that it has the inbuilt Wi-Fi capabilities, so that it can easily connect to my Wi-Fi without using any extra component. Then, since I'm controlling just two switches, I have used a two-channel relay for controlling those switches. And to power this, I have used a 220 volt AC to 5 volt DC power supply. I have used Blink to connect my project to the internet. Blink is basically a platform with which you can develop projects based on IoT, Internet of Things. It's very easy to do. So apart from just switching on and off from the mobile app, WiSpaces has many other features. We'll see it one by one. So WiSpaces has two switches to switch between the modes. Currently it is set in manual mode. In manual mode you can turn on your lights using physical switches. And in automatic mode the switches can be turned on and off only using mobile app. So just the next feature is called sunset trigger. What it actually does is it turns on the sit-out lights automatically after sunset. You might even think that I have used time for switching on my lights, but that isn't true. Time is a variable factor if you consider sunset because it varies each day and each month. So I have used a service called IFTTT. Using that, I will get the sunset time, and the service will send that sunset time to my hardware, and my hardware will actually switch on the lights 26 minutes after that sunset time because it is the average time it will take for the last light to come. So you might actually think why I implemented the sunset trigger in my project. Actually, you can see that our KCV turns on the street lights even when there is light outside. So it is just a wastage of electricity because we don't need that light when there is still light outside. So I have implemented this feature in my project so that my sit-out lights turns on exactly when it is needed. I have also implemented a feature called Rain Alert Reporter. So you might think that I have used some rain sensors or anything like that to sense the rain, but no. I have used IFTTT service for this. What it actually does it alerts the user when it's about to rain, locally through buzzer and through phone using notification. The next feature is actually pretty interesting. It is actually based on a flow. It is called mains status reporter. What it actually does is it predicts if there is a main supply in your home. My WiSpaces actually had a problem. When the mains power is lost, my supply switches over to inverter power. So there is a small time gap between this switching. So at that time, WiSpaces gets restarted. So I use that flow to predict whether there is main supply or not. and user can check if there is supply or not directly through your phone. There's a in-app LED for it. The next feature is called Welcome Back Home. What it actually does, it turns on your gate lights or gate lights and sit-out lights as you choose on the app after you return back home. So you may think that the light will get switched on even when there is sunlight, but that's not the case. The light will get turned on only when there is no sunlight. WiseOasis also has Google Assistant voice support. You can see the demo here. Okay Google, turn on the sit-out light.
Okay, turning on sit-out light.
I have also designed a custom app for my project. But it contains only just basic features like turning on and off the sit-out lights and gate lights, and to know the device status, whether it's online or offline, and to know the current status of the light. I will add more features in the coming versions. So with this project, I demonstrate how you can control your home appliances through your phone. In future, I will progressing towards controlling all of my home appliances using the same method. So with iWiseOasis, you are virtually carrying your switches of home appliances on your phone. You may find more details of this project on my website sensepros.blogspot.com. Thank you.